Hello, myself Gyas, aptitude trainer at SP Global Solution Branch Hyderabad. Today I am just explaining a very important technique for solving the questions of age related problem. And this age related problem is very important. Question of this age related problem are generally asked in so many exams, just like interviews, placement, and all competitive exams. This type of questions are asked. I will solve all the questions of age related problem by the option method and the basic method both. Just see the first question. The first question is the present ages of Reena and Usha are 24 and 36 years. That means this is Reena and Usha are 24 and 36. That means Reena's age, present age is 24 and Usha present age is 36. What was the ratio between the ages of Usha and Reena respectively 8 years ago? Right? We have to find the ratio between the age of Usha and Reena 8 years ago. For this type of question, first you have to understand the main point. What is just like present age of Reena and Usha is 24 and 36. Then 8 years hence, that is we have to find 8 years ago. So if Reena is present age is 24 years, then 8 years ago, how much age of Reena? The 8 years ago, we have to find that is 24 minus 8, that is 16 years. So age of Reena 8 years ago was 16 years. In the same way, Usha is present age. Usha present age is what? 36 years. Okay. And now we have to find 8 years ago Usha is. So 36 minus 8. So 16 minus 8 and this is 28 years. Okay, so this is the technique that is ago, then we have to subtract, and after, then we have to add. So 8 years ago, Reena's age was 24 minus 8, that is 16 years. And Usha age after 8 years ago is what? 36 minus 8, that is 28 years. Now we have to find the ratio between the ages of Usha and Reena respectively 8 years ago. So first Reena and then Usha. So this is Reena and this is Usha. So Reena age 8 years ago. How much? So Reena age 8 years ago 16. So this is 16. And Usha age 8 years ago. So what is Usha 8 years ago? That is 28. So this is 28. So 4 4 is 16 and 4 7 is 28. So 4 ratio 7 is correct answer. This is right answer. So in this way we can find the age ratio of the age of Usha and Reena 8 years ago. So it is very simple questions. The age of Reena is 24 and Usha is 36%. Then 8 years ago, that means 24 minus 8, 16 years age Reena and Usha 36 minus 8. Now we have to find ratio. So ratio first you see Reena and Usha. Here Reena, Usha and Reena. So age of Usha and Reena. So first you write age of Usha and then Reena. So if you find here that ratio between the age of Usha and Reena. If Usha and Reena is given and here Reena and Usha. So Reena and Usha is 4 is to 7. So if in the question Reena and Usha, then 4 is to 7. But here question is Usha and Reena. So Usha is 7, Reena is 4. So 7 is to 4 is then right answer. Depend upon the questions what is given. If it is Usha and Reena, age of Usha and Reena, then first we have to take Usha and then Reena. So 7 is to 4 is right answer. If in question Reena and Usha, then 4 is to 7 is right answer. But here Usha and Reena, so our right answer is what? That is 7 is to 4 is correct answer. Now see the question number second. The second question is the sum of present age of Varun and Kapil is 42 years. The ratio of their age after 5 years will be 15 ratio 11. Then what is the present age of Kapil? So that is the same question. We will solve this question by the two method. Okay. First you see that is the option method. The sum of present age of Varun and Kapil is 42 years. The ratio of their age after 5 years will be 15 ratio 11. Then what is the present age of Kapil? That is in option, which is our answer. It is the age of Kapil. So suppose first option is right answer. Then Kapil age will be how much? Kapil age is 17 years. Okay. So this is the present age of Kapil. Now there is a Varun. So Varun present age will be how much? Because sum of age of Varun and Kapil is 42 years. Okay. So Varun age will be 42 minus 70. That is 12 minus 7, 5 and 3 minus 1, 2. So this is 17 years and this is 25 years present. Now question is the ratio the age after 5 years. So Kapil present age is 17. So after 5 years how much? That is 17 plus 5. So this is 17 plus 5, that is 7, 5, 12, that is 22 years. In the same way, Varun present age is 25 years and after 5 years is how much? That is 25 plus 5. So this is 25 plus 5, that is 30 years. Okay. Now just check the ratio of their age after 5 years will, according to question, this is 15:11. So we have to check ratio of age after 5 years. Varun and Kapil is how much? So here Varun is 30 years and this is 20 years. So if this is Varun, so this is 30 and 22, it is clear this is Varun and this is Kapil, because Varun and Kapil ratio is given 15:11 after 5 years. So Varun after 5 years is how much? 30 years. So this is 30. And again Kapil after 5 years how much? 22. So this is 30 and 22. So this is 15. This is 11. So 15:11 just match to the question. So our assumption is right. So our correct answer is what? 17 years. So this is the method for solving the question by option method. In option method, again we are repeating, in option method first see what is asked, present age of Kapil. So any options number is given, that is the present age of Kapil. So I am just assuming the A is our correct answer. So 17 will be Kapil's percentage. But according to question, Varun age will be how much? So sum of Varun and Kapil is 42. If Kapil is 17, then Varun will be 42 minus 17, that is 25. These are the present age. Now we have to show the ratio of the age after 5 years. So after 5 years we have to add 5. So here Kapil's age after 5 years will be 17 plus 5, that is 22 years. In the same way, Varun's age after 5 years will be 25 plus 5, 30 years. Now we have to check ratio of their age after 5 years with Varun and Kapil. So this is Varun, this is Kapil. Varun's age after 5 years is 30 and Kapil age after 5 years is 22. So ratio 15:11 just match to option 1, that is 15:11. So our correct answer is what? 17 years. If we go for this question by the basic method, see here. So what is basic method? There is a two person, Varun and Kapil. So this is Varun and this is Kapil. So we have to find present age of Kapil. So suppose Kapil age is what? X. Then Varun age will be how much? 42 minus X. Now according to question, ratio the age after 5 years. So 5 years Varun age will be how much? 42 minus X plus 5. That is 47 minus X Varun is. And Kapil age x after 5 years how much? That is x plus 5. And this equal to how much? That is in question given 15/11. Then we go for cross multiplication. So you will find that this is 15 into x, that is 15x. And 15 5 ja 75. And this equal to 11 into 47. So 11 7 ja 77. 11 4 ja 44 and 7. That is 51. So 517 minus 11x. Now this is 15x plus 17 5. 517 minus 11x. So 15x and this minus comes here. So this is 15x plus 11x. And this equal to how much? 517 minus 75. So this is 26x and this equal to 7 minus 5 2, 11 minus 7 4 and this is 4. Okay. So x equal to what? 442 upon 26. So this is 2 1 ja 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 2 ja 4, 2 1. Now from 13 we can cancel 13 1 ja 13 and this is 13, so 91. So 13 7 ja 91. This is 17. So x is 17, that is present age of Kapil is 17. So our correct answer is 17. So in this way we can solve the question by basic method. But for competitive exams we have to minimize the time, save the time. So we have to practice for option method. So this is what the option method, and this is by basic method. Now I am solving the third question. See here. Now see the question number third. This is the third question. At present, Anil is 1.5 times of Purvi's age. 8 years hence, the respective ratio between Anil and Purvi's age will be 25:18. Then what is the Purvi's present age? So we will solve this question also by basic method and option method. So first you see what is the option method. What is the present age of that is given? What is the Purvi's percentage? So suppose 50 is the right answer, then 50 is the right answer, then 50 is the Purvi's percentage. So if a Purvi's present age is 50 years, so in the question suppose this is Purvi and Purvi's present age is how much? That is 50 years. Okay. Now there is a, and at present Anil is 1.5 times of Purvi. So Anil age will be how much? 1.5 times of Purvi. So this is 1.5 into 50. So this is 15 by 10. So this 0 cancel, that is 75 years. So 75 years is Anil's age. Okay. Now the question is what? The respective ratio between Anil Purvi's age will be this. So 8 years hence. So after 8 years, what is the Purvi's age? After 8 years, that is 50 plus 8, that is 58 years is the Purvi's age. And here question is given that is the ratio between Anil and Purvi's will be 25 and 18. So this is 18. Purvi's 18 part and here 58. So from 58 to 18 is not possible, because if you will cancel this number 58, it will not come anytime 18. So this is not the correct answer. Okay. So go for second option, that is 28. So if we go for second option, that is 28, then see. So if we go for second option, that is 28. Now Purvi's present age is how much? That is 28. Now Anil age will be how much? That is 1.5 into 28. So this point leave, so 15 by 10. So this is 5 3 ja 15, 5 2 ja 10, this is 14. So 14 3 ja 42. So this is Anil's age. So now Purvi's age is 28 and Anil age is 42. Now question is 8 years hence. So after 8 years, what will be the Purvi's age? After 8 years, Purvi's age will be 28 plus 8, that is 36 years. And what will be the age of Anil after 8 years? So Anil age is 42, so this is 42 plus 8, that is 50 years. Okay. Now we have to see the ratio between Anil and Purvi's age after 8 years. Okay. So respective ratio between Anil and Purvi after 8 years is this one. So we have to find Purvi ratio of Anil and Purvi. So Anil is what? 50 years and Purvi is 36. So the Anil and this is Purvi. So Anil age is how much? That is 50 and Purvi's age is 36. So this ratio will be how much? That is 50 and 36. So 50 and 36 again not come, just like you will go for 2. So this is 25 and this is 18. So see here 25 and 18 is match. So that means this is our correct answer, because our assumption is right. If we take 28, then Purvi's age is 28 and Anil age will be 1.5 times of 28. So 1 by 10 into 28. So this will give 42 years. Now question is that 8 years hence. So 8 years hence we have to add 8. So Purvi's age will be 28 plus 8, that is 36 years, and Anil age will be 42 plus 8, that is 50 years. Now we have to check the ratio of Anil's and Purvi, because in the question it is given 8 years respective ratio between Anil and Purvi. So Anil first and Purvi second. So this is Anil age after 8 years 50 and Purvi age after 8 years 36. Now ratio is what? 2 cancel by 2, this is 25 and 18. So 25 ratio 18 is correct answer, in matches to this. So our right answer is B option. This is the option method. We have to check the option and check what is the option answer is related to question. So here we are taking 28, then ratio of Anil and Purvi's age after 8 years will be 25 and 18. This is correct. So our right answer is B option. Now I am solving the same question by the basic method. So for the basic point, see here. So what is basic? There is Anil and Purvi. So suppose this is Anil and this is Purvi. So according to question, Anil is 1.5 times the Purvi's age. So suppose Purvi's age is X, then Anil will be how much? 1.5 times. So this is 1.5x. Now according to question, 8-year hen. So if Anil percent age is 1.5, then after 8 years, that is, it will be added 8. So 1.5x plus 8. In the same way, Purvi's percent age is X. So after 8 years, her age will be X plus 8. This equal to what? According to question, 25 upon 18. Now cross multiply this. So you will get 25x plus 25 into 8, 8 5 is 40, 8 2 is 16, 4, 20. And this equal to what? 1.5 into 18. So 18 5 is 90, 18 1 is 18 and 9, 27. Now decimal after one digit. So here decimal, that is 27.0x and plus 18 into 8. 8 8 is 64, 8 1 is 8 6, 40. So now this is the 25x and this is 27x. So we can write 27x minus 25x. Now this is 200, this is 144. So this is 200 minus 144. So this is 2x equal to 10 minus 4, 6, 9 minus 4, 5. So x equal to what? 56 by 2, that is 28. So x is what? 28. So Purvi's percent age is 28. So our correct answer is B. So in this way we can solve this question by the basic method. But you have to practice for the option method, because option method save the time. So option method is important, but you have to practice for option method. Okay, dear students. So now we have solved the age related questions 1 to 3 questions with basic and option method. Now I am giving a 4 to 5 questions for you to homework to solve these questions and comment your correct answer in comment box. Thank you. Okay, now see first question. First question is, at present Meena is 8 times her daughter's age. 8 years from now, the ratio of ages of Meena and daughter will be 10:3 respectively. Then what is the Meena's present age? So I already explained the questions of age related problem with the option method and the basic rule. So you can find the answer very easily. First you go for careful reading of the question. Then see what is question asked and what is given. In the question, at present Meena 8 times her daughter's age. And 8 years from now, the ratio of age of Meena and daughter is 10:3. Then you have to find what is the Meena's present age. Option is 32 years, 40 years, 36 years and cannot be determined, and D option is none of these. So just to solve the questions and comment your correct answer. In the same way, there is a second question. Second question is also the ages of Harish and Sumit are 40 years and 60 years respectively. That means Harish's age is 40 years and Sumit age is 60. Now how many years before the ratio of their age was 3:5? How many years before? A ratio of their age was 3:5. We have to find how many years before, ago, the ratio of their age was 3:5. So again we can solve this question by the option method and the basic method. We have already explained the age related questions in the basic method and the option method also. So you can solve this question for the both method. First you solve by option method and then by basic method. Then you can check in both way your answer will be same. So comment your answer. In the same way, this is the third question. In third question, 4 years ago, Syam's age was 3/4 times of that of the Ram's age. and 4 year hence means after 4 years, Siam's age will be 5 by 6 times that of the Ram. Okay. So then what is the present age of Ram? Again we have to solve this question by the two method. That is first one by the option method, and second one that is the basic method. I have already explained how can we solve this question by the option method. Option method means what is the percentage of Ram. That means in option what is the correct answer, that is the percentage of Ram. With the help of percentage of Ram, you can check even after the four, hence after Siam's age 5 by 6 of that of Ram. You check the question कि 4 years ago if Siam age was 3 by 4 time, then after 4 years Siam age is 5 by 6 of Ram. If it is right, then that option is the correct answer. So write your comment in comment your correct answer. In the same way, there is a fourth question. The fourth question is what? 10 years before, the ratio of the ages of A and B was 13:17. That means 10 years before, ratio of age of A and B 13:17. Now after 17 years, from the ratio of their age will be. After 17 years, their ratio of their age. Their age means there is a two person A and B. So ratio of their age will be what? 10:11. Then you have to find percentage of B. So again there is a two method for solving this age related question, option method and basic method. We have already explained what is the option method and what is the basic method. So you solve this question by the two method and check in both method the answer will be same. That is your correct answer, and comment your correct answer in comment box. Okay, now you see the fifth question. So fifth question is that difference between the ages of Meena and Seema, 3 years, and the ratio of their age is 7:8. That means age Meena and Seema's age difference is 3 years, and ratio of their age is what? 7:8. So what is the sum of their age? We have to find their sum of age. So there is a option 43 years, 41 years, 45 years, 48 years and 47 years. So we have to solve this question by the two method. One is the option method and second one is the basic method. You know well how can we solve this question by the option and basic. We have already explained in 1 to 3 questions. So do just to watch 1 to 3 questions first, then solve this question. Again, question number 6. The age of man after 15 years is 4 times the age of that man 15 years before. That means suppose there is any man, so after 15 years age 4 times the age of that man 15 years ago before. Then what is the percentage? So you can solve this question also by the two method. First one the option method and second one is the basic method. So by option method just to mean that is the present age. So all the given option, if there is a correct answer, that will be the percentage. With the help of the percentage you check if this condition is right or wrong. If your condition is right, then that option is your correct answer. In short, if you understood the explained answer 1 to 3 videos which we have explained the question number 1, question 2, 3 in the both way, option way and option method and basic method. So after that you solve this all the 6 questions and comment your correct answer. Thank you.